Good morning everyone. Hope everyone having a great morning. So today we are going to make this 400 times Dalgona. I don't know how to pronounce this, okay, but just bear with me. Maybe let me find how to pronounce Dalgona. Google always help me, okay? So let's see how to pronounce this Dalgona.
Looking at how to pronounce the name of this coffee beverage made by wiping equal proportions of instant coffee, sugar and hot water.
Just tell me.
It's pronounced as Dalgona, so let's stick to Dalgona.
Dalgona Coffee. Dalgona Coffee. So yep, we are going to make a 400 times Dalgona Coffee because everyone been doing it and my family has been doing it for months now. Because I never thought I want to try just 400 times. No. Okay. Well, we are going to make the 400 times Dalgona Coffee.
So first we need an instant coffee, brown sugar, and warm water. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water, but I add a little bit more just in case. And now you need to start whisking it. So we're gonna start for 400 times.
400 times, they have a reason because they say apparently you need to stir this for 400 times, okay? But some people say 400 times is not enough, so you need to do more than 400 times. So I am going to challenge myself to use my own hand and to do 400 times or maybe 500 to make it to the consistency I want for this Dalgona coffee.
When it's done, you can use milk of your own choice. I used coconut milk. Sometimes I can use oat milk. That's just my milk of choice. And you just pour all the coffee on top of your milk. You can either put a bit of ice beforehand as well. And that's it. That is your Dalgona coffee.
So guys, this is my Dalgona coffee. So I hope you guys like it. I just want to show you guys. It's blur. Wait, okay, that's it. So that's the coffee. So your milk is underneath and then your coffee is on the top. It's foaming. Succeed.